wanted to make it very simple. So something like Notion, there's a million features. So I would get like what's the word? But I get just frustrated because there's so much stuff there in my face at the same time.
Yeah.
I have Notion AI, we have
Inbox.
inbox, like me just try right, but I have an inbox. We have a home, like a bunch of nesting, searching, uh,
It's all
data.
over the place.
You have databases. So there's definitely a big gap between it and Google Docs. So if I want something more simple, yeah, I use this.
No, definitely. I agree as well. I think no somebody in I saw on Twitter called Notion, like if you don't wrangle it properly, it's like a bunch of screaming goats in your face. It's like there's just so much going on all at once if you're not careful. Like you just get really like information overload a lot of the time. So you're saying that this can largely solve that with a simpler interface?
Yeah, definitely.
Sick. Sick. So no more yelling goats.
And straight a little of the sidebar with the folders.
Okay, let's see.
So even the folders are responsive. You have to change it. So look at this.
Yeah, nice. That's sick, bro. Oh my goodness. I don't even want to like people see that they're like, oh, you can drag and drop, but they don't understand. They just don't get how insane that is. Like on the development side, especially to have it being able to you're in two instances of two different browsers and it working so seamlessly.
I'm not gonna lie, the folder itself took me a week to develop.
That's fine. That is fine.
With the drag and drop, an entire week. Like sometimes I develop and we get even depressed. Like if you're stuck and then all of a sudden after coding for a while and you understand more and more and can prompt cursor better, yeah, you eventually get to a solution. You know, that's how you have to stick. You have to stick with it sometimes.
No, no, for sure. For sure. We're not at that stage yet where it can just kind of one shot. But really good production coders yet. We're like a few years out.
Yeah. Anything else you would like to see?
As of right now, I think we've covered literally everything, man. This was sick. I love this app. Oh, and it's even a progressive web app too. Okay.
Yeah. So
We've thought of everything.
yeah. So instead of visiting the web page every time, you can actually download it.
Sick.
Using gone now, but there was a download button right here.
Yeah, I know though. The progressive web app install app feature. Was that difficult to implement, like to get that up and running?
You just add a few metadata. You have a web manifest, certain icons. People probably not know that probably. Maybe you understand.
I understand, but for the poor viewer.
So you can see the entire manifest right here. Name, short name, the logos. So you'd need this in order for the browser to pick up that you can download the app. A few screenshots as well can help. And then the download button just automatically come up.
Yeah, okay. Versus. I am looking forward to the continued development of DocSurf AI. This is beautiful, bro. Like the fact that within 6 months and completely nuking your code base multiple times, you're able to build out something that's not only functional, but actually has use. This is beautiful, bro.
Thank you.
Yeah, bro.